look at what happened to global markets. Prices of oil and other items have gone extremely high, beyond the reach of developing countries like Pakistan, and it has also created lots of problems for other Muslim countries. We suffered unprecedented floods last year, as you know, because of climate change, and then massive earthquake in Turkey and Syria. And of course, we are very grateful to all of you sitting on my left and right, both sides, for providing very valuable assistance and very timely. In fact, we are most grateful to all of you, whether Saudi Arabia, whether it's UAE, Qatar, other Middle Eastern countries, Kuwait, Central Asian Muslim countries, Malaysia. I mean, each and every Muslim country has come to assist us at this very difficult period, and we will remember your support for all times to come.